Did you know that some fruits don't just help you stay healthy, they actually help you burn stubborn belly fat faster? A study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that people who consumed certain fruits regularly had significantly lower belly fat levels and smaller waistlines than those who didn't. That's right. Nature's sweet treats could be the secret weapon you're missing in your weight loss journey. So stick around, because we're revealing the top fruits that can help flatten your belly, naturally and fast. Welcome back to the channel, your home for real health, smart habits, and natural weight loss tips. Today, we're diving into the juicy, delicious world of fat-burning fruits. And not just listing them, but digging into how they work, what makes them powerful, and how to actually use them in your daily life to melt away that stubborn belly fat. Forget detox teas, overpriced supplements, and exhausting routines. If you're looking for a natural, sustainable way to lose belly fat, this video is your blueprint. Let's be honest, belly fat is frustrating. You try to eat right, maybe exercise regularly, but that midsection just won't shrink. Why? Because belly fat is hormonally active fat. It's tied to stress, poor sleep, inflammation, and especially the foods we eat. Many people resort to crash diets, fasts, or chemical fat burners, but these solutions are rarely sustainable. The truth is, if you want long-term results, you need a lifestyle shift. That means fueling your body with the right foods, especially natural fat-burning fruits. Fruits aren't just healthy, they're natural fat-burning tools. Many are rich in fiber, water, antioxidants, and unique compounds that help your body burn fat, curb cravings, and reduce inflammation. When eaten whole and in the right combinations, fruits support better digestion, stable blood sugar, and a faster metabolism, all essential for melting stubborn belly fat. So instead of avoiding fruits, focus on the ones that actively help you slim down. Number 1, grapefruit. Grapefruit is a legendary fat-burning fruit, and for good reason. This citrus beauty is low in calories but rich in antioxidants, water, and vitamin C. But its real magic lies in its ability to lower insulin levels, which is crucial for fat metabolism. Insulin is a hormone that controls how your body stores and burns fat, especially around the belly. In a clinical study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food, people who ate half a grapefruit before each meal lost an average of 3.5 pounds in just 12 weeks, without making any other lifestyle changes. Grapefruit also contains naringenin, a powerful flavonoid that helps improve liver function and fatty acid breakdown. Try eating half a grapefruit before breakfast or lunch. Just be mindful if you're on medications, as grapefruit can interact with certain prescriptions. Number 2, avocado. Yes, avocado is technically a fruit, and it's one of the best fat-burning foods on the planet. It's packed with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, which don't make you fat. They actually help reduce belly fat by calming inflammation and stabilizing blood sugar. Avocados are also rich in fiber and potassium, helping you feel fuller longer while reducing water retention and bloating. Plus, they contain compounds that signal your brain that you're full, which means you naturally eat less throughout the day. In one study, people who ate half an avocado with lunch felt 40% less hungry for up to 3 hours afterward. Add avocado to salads, spread it on toast, or blend it into a creamy green smoothie. Just keep portions in check since it's calorie-dense. Number 3, apples. An apple a day does more than keep the doctor away. It can help keep belly fat at bay too. Apples are rich in soluble fiber, which slows digestion, balances blood sugar, and supports a healthy gut, all of which are key for fat loss. They're also incredibly filling while being low in calories, which makes them an ideal snack when cravings hit. Green apples in particular are lower in sugar and higher in tart polyphenols that have been linked to fat oxidation and improved metabolism. Try slicing apples into your oatmeal, pairing them with almond butter, or eating one about 30 minutes before a meal to reduce overall calorie intake. Number 4, blueberries. Don't let their size fool you. Blueberries are a fat-burning powerhouse. These tiny berries are bursting with antioxidants called anthocyanins, which reduce inflammation and protect cells from oxidative stress, a hidden cause of stubborn belly fat. They also help regulate blood sugar and improve insulin sensitivity, both of which are crucial for maintaining a lean waistline. In one study, rats fed a blueberry-rich diet had less abdominal fat, lower triglycerides, and better insulin sensitivity than those without. Blueberries make a perfect topping for yogurt, oatmeal, or smoothies. And they're so low in calories, you can enjoy a generous handful guilt-free. Number 5. Watermelon. Watermelon often gets overlooked, but it's incredibly powerful for reducing bloating and supporting fat loss. Composed of over 90% water, watermelon keeps you hydrated while helping your body flush out excess sodium and toxins. But here's the fat-burning bonus. Watermelon is rich in citrulline, an amino acid that boosts nitric oxide production, improving blood flow and reducing fatigue, which helps you stay active longer. Watermelon is also low in calories and has a high satiety index, making it a great snack. Just eat it earlier in the day to allow your body time to burn off the natural sugars. Number 6. Bananas. Bananas are often wrongly accused of being too sugary, but when it comes to belly fat, they're surprisingly effective. They're loaded with resistant starch, a type of carbohydrate that resists digestion and feeds the good bacteria in your gut. This improves metabolism, reduces inflammation, and helps regulate hormones that control fat storage. Bananas are also high in potassium, which balances fluids and helps prevent bloating, a major cause of belly bulge. Enjoy a banana as a pre-workout snack, or blend one with protein and almond milk for a recovery smoothie. Number 7. Pineapple. Pineapple is tropical, tasty, and teeming with a special enzyme called bromelain. This enzyme supports digestion by breaking down proteins and helping your body absorb nutrients more efficiently. It also reduces inflammation and water retention, both of which contribute to that puffy belly look. Combined with its high vitamin C content and anti-bloating effects, pineapple is an excellent addition to any fat loss plan. Eat it fresh in chunks, add it to salsa, or include it in a smoothie with leafy greens for a powerful combo. Number 8. Papaya. Papaya is another tropical fruit that's often underrated in the fat loss world. It contains papain, a natural enzyme that improves digestion and helps your body process protein and fats more efficiently. Papaya is also a natural anti-inflammatory and supports a healthy gut, which is directly linked to a flatter belly. If you struggle with bloating, papaya can be a game changer. Enjoy it on an empty stomach in the morning or as part of a refreshing fruit bowl. If there's one group of fruits you should eat daily for belly fat loss, it's mixed berries: strawberries, blackberries, raspberries, and blueberries. They're high in fiber, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory compounds, which not only help you lose weight but also protect your heart, skin, and brain. Research shows that people who regularly eat berries tend to have lower body fat percentages and smaller waists. They also help reduce cravings and keep blood sugar stable, a big factor in belly fat storage. Mix them into smoothies, yogurt, or just eat them fresh with a handful of almonds. Here's the takeaway. The road to a leaner, flatter stomach doesn't have to be painful or complicated. When you fuel your body with powerful fruits like grapefruit, avocado, apples, berries, watermelon, bananas, pineapple, and papaya, you're not just eating healthier, you're eating smarter. These fruits fight inflammation, regulate your hormones, keep you full, and gently shift your metabolism into fat-burning mode. Add a few of these into your meals every day. Combine that with movement, hydration, and sleep, and you'll start seeing real, lasting results. Which of these powerful fruits are you adding to your meals this week? Let me know your favorite in the comments. I'd love to hear how you're using them in your journey to better health. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and share it with someone who's working on their fitness goals. And remember, small changes lead to big results. You've got this.